It's freezing in Florida today. Weatherman is threatening that it may drop all the way down to 52. So I got my long johns, my flannel, and my jacket on, and it's a perfect day to winterize one of our toy haulers. Let's have John walk us through this.
Hi, my name is John. I'm going to show you how to winterize the trailers today. If you look down here, this is the back of our hot water heater, and this is what's called a bypass valve. In this position, it's running into the hot water heater and coming back out. So what we want to do is we want to bypass that by flipping this valve up, and then we need to drain the tank. So we'll go outside and show you how to do that. So what we'll do out here is we'll open our hot water tank and we'll drain it. First we want to do is relieve the pressure with this little valve up here. Then we'll take the plug out down here with an 1/16" socket. When you do that, be careful, because when there is water in there, it'll fill up and it'll drain out pretty fast. After you're done draining it, you want to take this plug, put it back in, and close your pressure up there. Tighten it down with your wrench. Alright, so what we'll do now is we'll drain our hot water, or water tank, and you do that by turning this valve down here towards the tank, and that'll drain out underneath the camper. After that's all drained, then what we'll do is we'll bring our hose out and we'll turn this valve towards the hose. Then what we do is we stick that down in our RV antifreeze, and then we'll go over here and start the pump. And that will start sucking that antifreeze out of there eventually. So when we put that in there, turn our pump on, then what we'll do is we'll go over to a faucet, which is the furthest one away is your best. And you come over here and just turn the faucet on and let it run until you see pink come out. Then we'll go to the next faucet, the other side, until pink comes out. Then you do that to every faucet and toilet and outside spigot that we have in this trailer. So the last thing we need to do is just put a little antifreeze down in our traps in our sinks. You don't need much, just enough to fill up the trap.